2021 Lincoln MKC Review Design, Engine, Release Date, and Price. Although the famous luxury car manufacturer now has an entirely new naming policy, some models with these three generic leather names are still in production. One of them is MKC. Although the company has introduced an all-new model called Corsair, which is of the same size, this small crossover will continue as a cheaper alternative for a little longer. Moreover, she recently received a refresh. So we have no doubt that the product will last for a few years. According to the latest reports, 2021 Lincoln MKC should be the last annual production model. 2021 Lincoln MKC Exterior. Since this should be the last annual model for this intersection, we do not expect any larger changes. We have recently seen a facelift and MKC has come with a number of beautiful external updates. Of course, the focus was on the introduction, so you can now see an entirely new face, following the brand's latest design philosophy, with many details borrowed from new models like Corsair, Aviator, and others. That is why we do not expect a major change in 2021 Lincoln MKC. Mechanically, this exchange has not changed much since its launch. It runs on the company's trusted Global C system. Interestingly, it will be presented with a new Pirate. The MKC is very much involved with the previous generation of Escape, while the new Corsair is closely related to the new Escape, which was launched recently. The 2021 Lincoln MKC is offered as a cheaper alternative. 2021 Lincoln MKC Interior. Unfortunately, the latest update did not have a lot of internal changes. So, 2021 Lincoln MKC will continue to design a slightly outdated cabin, totally unlike any other luxury crossovers in the class. You can easily see that many areas are made up of hard plastic and other cheap materials, while the dashboard is definitely not as elegant as you would expect from a crossover. Another drawback is the somewhat limited leg in the second row. When it comes to cargo space, you can count on around 25 cubic feet behind the seats. The total capacity is 53 cubic feet. However, MKC makes up for these shortcomings with a full load of technical functions. Despite the age, this cross system includes the latest Ford infotainment system on the standard 8-inch touchscreen. Other notable standard technical features include things like Bluetooth, the 9-speaker sound system, satellite radio, Lincoln's MyKey, Wi-Fi hotspot, etc. Such as navigation system, premium 14-speaker sound system, etc. 2021 Lincoln MKC Engines. 2021 Lincoln MKC continues under the hood with two well-known turbo engines. Basic models will have a 2.0-liter unit, which is good for around 240 HP. You can also choose a more powerful 2.3-liter engine with a maximum capacity of about 285 HP. Both engines come with a 6-speed gearbox, and despite the noticeable difference in power, they feel somewhat the same when it comes to acceleration and overall performance. Therefore, our advice would be to choose the primary engine, given the low price and low fuel consumption, which is about 21 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway. The good thing about both engines is that premium fuel is not required. 2021 Lincoln MKC Release Date and Price. 2021 Lincoln MKC is expected without major changes. So we are sure that the launch is planned for the end of next year. The price should remain almost the same. The basic models currently go around $34,000.